What's up guys, it's 5 a.m. and that is the perfect time to turn myself into Lady Gaga's version of Harley Quinn because the trailer just dropped and I am so excited about this costume I made. So we have to do clown makeup at 5:24 a.m. Let's get into it. I want to be done with this makeup in 2 hours. Ideally 1.5 hours so that I can set up my filming situation. I took some screenshots from the trailer last night, so we're gonna look at this picture to get an understanding of what she's looking like these days. Here's an idea of our makeup, and I'm gonna use these 3 pictures as my references for like her general face. Let me just confirm that her eyes are blue. They are. What? Her eyes are brown? Oh no! I don't have the right contacts for this. This whole time I thought her eyes are blue. They're kind of like bluish hazel. Okay, they're kind of green. I'm gonna see what contacts I have that will be close to this, because otherwise I'm concerned. Okay, I have a few pairs of contacts that might work. I have a bright blue. This is supposed to be green, but they look blue on. Oh my gosh, I clean it. It's always spicy when I put it in. I mean, it looks, yeah, we're gonna use these. Okay, these are the contacts we're going with because they were supposed to be green when I bought them, and this is as good as it's gonna get right now. I'm starting with my Fenty Beauty primer just as a base to get us started here because I truly did just wake up. And we have a lot to do before I work. I've never tried turning myself into Lady Gaga before, so this is gonna be an interesting experiment. I'm just trying to give myself kind of a flat base to work with, so I'm filling in all of my natural shadows. Oh, this concealer is kind of a better color for me. Okay, here's our flat base. I'm putting on a little bit of powder just to set what I just did. And we're gonna start in with our contour. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Match Sticks in shade Amber for the contour. This makeup look is really going to be contour heavy because we do not have the same bone structure at all. So I'm bringing in the bridge of my nose quite a bit and up to my eyebrows to make my nose more shaped like this. I wanna bring up my jawline because my jaw is more square than hers. She has much more defined cheekbones. I'm gonna bring them up like this. So I want them to kind of come down. But don't forget this area by your ear because sometimes I think it just blends in with my sideburn. And after we blend out all of this contour, I'm gonna go in with highlight and probably with eyeshadow to just increase the intensity of the contour more. And then we can change the top a little bit once I put the wig on. I also wanna bring, my nose has like a little ball on the end, so I don't wanna highlight that. I'm gonna take some bronzer and just go over that area, especially on the nose. I'm gonna take a skinny brush and I'm gonna take this Natasha Denona Xenon palette, which is just super bright, super bright whites, and take this white and use it as my highlight. So down the middle of the nose and then blended it. Her eyebrows in this one picture are kind of straight across, so that is extremely helpful to me because my eyebrows are very thick and it's hard to manipulate them to look smaller. So I'm just filling in the front here and I need to bring them a little closer together. And this will also help my nose bridge look smaller. See? Okay, and then I am gonna take concealer and go in and cover up the edge here. It's not a perfect method, but it sometimes works. It's good, not great, especially when you look close. But I could pluck some of these down here because I actually don't need them. We're gonna take this mini Smashbox palette and take this color because that's what I like to use for my contour. It's like a neutral brown. And I'm gonna go under my eyes to try to make them look bigger because she has a shadow here. This is really the old classic for making my eyes look bigger. My eyes are more hooded lower down than hers are, so I wanna make them look bigger. I'm gonna move my crease up. Let's try to blend that in. And I'm going under with that same color and a wider and a fluffier brush so that I can make a new shadow underneath that line. I'm gonna do the white eyeliner trick. I always do the white eyeliner trick. And now we'll go back in and highlight the eyes. I'm gonna take this white over here and put it in my inner corner. Okay, we now need to be aware of what the actual makeup look we're doing over top of this is, and that is this. So, I'm gonna start drawing that out. It looks like she does have heavy eyeshadow on and a heavy eyeliner. So we'll start with the eyeliner. And because her eyes are more round than mine, I'm not gonna do a cat eye. I probably shouldn't use liquid for this because it's smudgy. So I'm gonna use my Pat McGrath Permagel Ultra Glide Eye Pencil. She actually does have a cat eye and it goes sort of into the triangle. Like this. Right here. It's gonna stop right here, the point of the triangle, and go down. Okay, careful. Straight line, straight line. And it's kind of like thick. It's all up in her eyebrow. And now I just want to smudge this whole experience. I have this pointy brush and I'm going to use this black to smudge it out. Okay, and I want to smudge inward with these triangles. And I want the top to be more pointy, so I'm going to go with a liquid eyeliner. They're a little bit, I think the tops are a little too thick. So, oh yeah, crispy. Okay, my last thing is I'm taking this light color and going underneath the top triangle. I'm not seeing blush placement in this, but I am seeing much more contour here. So let's do that. Let's put in the rest of the contour. Gonna contour here. Okay, blend. Oh, the lips. Let's do the lips. She is wearing, okay, I'm gonna do this method, red lipstick, super carefully. And just kind of smudge it. Okay, and her Cupid's bow is a little bit wider than mine. And the last thing is the upturned lips, so I'm gonna take a little bit of brown eyeliner and go right here. Okay, we've done something. Now it's time to put on the wig and the outfit and we'll see if this looks like anything. Just kidding, I forgot mascara. Let's get this wig on. Don't want to mess up the makeup. Careful. I realized that this wig is so much longer than hers, but this is the only root smudged platinum blonde wig I had, so it's gonna be behind her shoulders, and I didn't want to cut it. So if I finish this cosplay a little bit more, I will make a new one. And I anticipate that I'm probably going to do more outfits from the movie because they're so cute. I don't want to brush it because it dried weird, and I knew it was gonna dry weird, and that's exactly what I wanted. I don't want to use glue if I don't have to today, but I might have to. We're just gonna spray and smooth back. I really didn't want to have to do this. Please. Okay, it's kind of staying. Let's slick it back. That's as good as it's gonna get. My head's a little lumpy under the wig cap, so I think that's gonna be fine. And for her earrings, use these little safety pin looking ones. Looks like she only has one earring in actually. And that's gonna be on this side. That's the final makeup look. Let's put the jacket on, we'll go to the reveal. final look came out, and I think it's pretty good. I am blinded by lights right now, so I can't really tell if I actually do look anything like Lady Gaga, but let me know in the comments below. Other than that, I feel like this makeup look is so fun, and I'm just so happy with how it came out, and I couldn't be more excited that the trailer just dropped, and I cannot wait for October 4th. There are so many cool Harley outfits from the trailer that I can't wait to remake. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and come back for more cosplay content in the future because there will be a lot more Harley Quinn where this came from. Okay, thanks, bye!